Hi everybody, I'm just going to show you the wind-up bus. Here you go, we're going to open the book. As you can see, this page is here. There's a track that goes all the way around each page. So this one you can see has come out a little bit. So each page can come out and make a bigger track on the ground. So I've got the little bus here. This is the toy. I'm holding him so that the wind-up stays. So I'm just gonna stick him on here. Where's the front? Okay. See him go. He's whipping around. He goes really fast. Okay. All right. He's going and going. All right. Oh, he's still gonna go. All right, we're gonna stick them in there. So every page has a track. Like I said, which one was coming out? So this comes out. There you go. And then you can lay it on the ground and you can put all the pages together. So this is the bus. The bus is the only one that has the pages that come out. I also have an airplane here. Okay, so this just talks about the airport. We got a track here where they're gonna take off, go down the runway. This one's all around the world. There we go. So these are available exclusively. They're not available online. So you have to order them through me from a party, and I have very few available. So if you'd like one, just let me know. I also have a tractor.